Hey, hi everyone. Stay tuned because we have something different for us to show you. I just received this item here to be reviewed. The brand is Cotsoco, and this is a massage gun, professional and healthy. We can look at the box in front here. They said this is a massage gun with professional and healthy. On the side you have nothing, and in the back you have all the feature they show you. They tell you. They say the machine have 30 adjustable speed. You have an LCD touch screen. You have 6 interchangeable massage head. Let's do the unbox. So it's time to open it to see what exactly we have inside the box. Let's unwrap it. Put it here. Okay. Wow. Okay. And voila, look at the pouch. It's a nice pouch. It's like rubber. Yeah, feel like rubber. You have a handle if you want to bring with you. Empty. Let's look inside the pouch. Oh, wow, okay. So we have inside here, you have the card of 3 years of warranty, and they said thank you. You have the usual manual. You have all the interchangeable head. In here you have the machine gun with the LCD touchscreen, and look at that, this is a beauty. It's USB, so just plug it in, let it charge, and after that you can use it. That's perfect for almost everybody. It's not heavy. The handle here, it's like rubber. Yeah, it's rubber. And let's try it. When it's time to charge it, use your USB-C, plug it in, and here you have a switch on and off. Now the thing you need to do when it's time to charge, let me show you something. Put it on the table, the machine. You need to wait till those numbers come to 99, and when those numbers are 99, this is going to be full charge. Let's look inside the user manual. Here it show you some specification. At page 2 they show you how to which head you need to use when it's time to do the massage. Here they show you the packing list, what exactly you have inside, the operation, how to use it, and wait, and the safety. Okay, now what is going to happen is going to be my wife. She's going to try it because we're already at 99%, so that's perfect. This guy is full charge, and my wife is going to use it and try it at the same time.
Now it's full charge, and we thought that both of us should try it. And to massage the neck, it would be the fork. Here I've put it in, but there you go. You gotta put it tightly in, and with the LCD you just, there it's on. It's quiet, and you can make it go quicker. And the fork is especially for the neck and the rest of your back. To me, it's wow. It's nice, but my hair's in the way, and I will let Stefan show you.
With a little bit of pressure, you can feel it deeper. Okay, let me show you how sensibility is. Look at that. I just press, just before wrapping, I'm going to tell you my opinion about the machine. The handle, when you grab it, it's perfect. You can feel it, you can, you know, it's strong. The machine is not bad, it's really strong too. My wife love it for the back of the neck, and me too. The machine is sturdy and really strong, so we have fun with it, me and my wife. I hope you like this video. If you love it, don't forget to thumbs up, and like always, don't forget to subscribe. That side, I don't remember. And see you in another one.